Taylor, and I'm the International Student Coordinator here at Louisiana Tech University. Welcome here! We're so excited to have you. Congratulations on getting your visa. Now, there's a few steps that you need to take next. First, you should complete our pre-arrival orientation course. You can go online to canvas.latech.edu. There, you're going to find some modules and courses that you need to take in order to be fully prepared for your journey. There are 3 quizzes, and they're going to teach and quiz you all about keeping your immigration status, how to use your health insurance and access your health insurance, and about healthcare in the USA in general, and about student life here, and a little bit of what to expect. It's very informative, but don't worry, you get many attempts to take the quizzes. It's all to get you prepared. Good luck!
What you do when you get your visa for Louisiana Tech University is get all the required vaccinations, which are, and you might want to get the recommended vaccinations, which are, anyone coming to Louisiana Tech needs to figure out where they're going to live. So if you're going to live on campus, you want to register for housing at the website that we're going to put in the description. If you want to live off campus, then you need to fill out a form. It's called an off-campus waiver, and we're going to put that in the description as well. And then you'll sign it and email it to the address at the top of the form.
Hi, I'm Morgan Drain, and I'm Louisiana Tech's International Student Recruitment Coordinator. Here are a few things you need before you enter the United States: your I-20, your passport, your English proficiency test, and your university offer letter. You also need your university immunization form and to arrange your health insurance and tuition via bank draft or Flywire.
When it comes to university life, there's usually 2 parts that come with it. One is academics and the other one is social life. So when it comes to academics, I would advise you to consult your advisor and upperclassmen and ask them about what classes you need to take. And they're gonna be a big help when you're deciding what classes to register for or what classes you need to graduate. For social life, I would advise you to hang around in the ISO, meet new people, make new friends, and that's gonna be a very big help when you're coming to a new environment that you don't know anyone. So for most of my friends I met at the ISO, and I'm very close with them right now.
Ruston experiences 4 different kinds of weather. Sometimes it's really hot, sometimes it's really cold, sometimes it's really humid. So pack your bags and be prepared for all 4 different seasons. The summer is really hot and humid. The winter is very cold and chilly, and the spring is very moderate. You can contact the international organization, your local cultural organization, or the seniors you know to come pick you up from the nearest airport.